Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Competing. Today I am going to show you how to check and download previously recorded video from the CCTV DVR. In the previous video, I showed you how to install and monitor software-based CCTV. Please watch this video. I used Smart PSS software to watch the live recording from CCTV. Today I am going to use the same software to observe and download previously recorded videos. Now open the Smart PSS software and insert username and password. Please contact your administrator or vendor about the username and password. Now you can see these types of interfaces. Click on playback and select your device. In this organization, 10 cameras are running. So, I can check any of the cameras recording video. Now I am going to check the recording video of camera number 3. After that, I am going to select the date of the recording. You cannot select more than 24 hours of video at a time. You have to select it individually. Now I am selecting a date from the start and the same date from the end. So, the system will allow me to watch 24 hours of video of that day. Now click search. You can see that the recorded video of that day has started. It is started from the time of 12 AM on that day. Now I'm going to change the time by dragging from the bottom. You can see that it's the daytime.
Now, I am going to download a clip video. To do this, I have to select the start time of the video. I selected the 9 AM start time by clicking the scissor icon. Then I have to select the end time of the clip. I selected 9:30 AM as the end time. So, the clip duration will be 30 minutes. After selecting the end time by the scissor icon, the system export option window will appear. You can select the video saving path and the format of the video. Click OK to continue. You see that the video is saving. Now you can see that the 30 minutes durations clip has been saved on my desktop and I am opening the video. I think you have learned a lot about the installation of a web-based CCTV camera. Thank you for watching the full video.